Understanding movement mindfulness.
Movement mindfulness, found in practices like yoga, Tai Chi, and mindful walking, blends gentle motion with present moment awareness. It helps reduce stress, improve focus, and support emotional balance. However, many people make common mistakes that limit these benefits. Let's explore those pitfalls and learn how to get the most from your movement mindfulness practice.
Mistake: rushing through movements.
One frequent mistake is moving too quickly, treating yoga or mindful walking like a workout to finish. This rush disconnects you from your breath and body, making it hard to notice subtle sensations. To fix this, slow down and match movements to your breath. Give yourself permission to move at a pace that feels natural and allows you to fully experience each moment.
Mistake: focusing only on physical form.
Another common error is focusing exclusively on proper poses or technique while ignoring your internal experience. While alignment is important, mindfulness means paying attention to thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations. Try balancing physical form with inner awareness. Notice how your mind and body feel, not just how you look in a pose or movement.
Mistake: ignoring the breath.
Breath is the bridge between body and mind in movement mindfulness. Many practitioners forget to focus on breathing or unconsciously hold their breath when challenged. To correct this, keep gentle attention on your breath throughout your practice. Let it guide your movements and serve as an anchor when your mind starts to wander.
Mistake: being hard on yourself.
It's common to judge yourself for not doing movements perfectly or for losing focus. Self-criticism can increase stress and disrupt mindfulness. Instead, approach your practice with kindness and curiosity. Accept where you are today, and remember that every session is different. Progress comes with patience, not perfection.
Cultivating a mindful practice.
By slowing down, balancing form and awareness, connecting with your breath, and practicing self-compassion, you can avoid common movement mindfulness mistakes. These simple shifts help you enjoy greater calm, presence, and benefits from every session, whether you're practicing yoga, Tai Chi, or simply walking with awareness.